Welcome. If you're ready to connect with other Roblox fans and discover awesome new groups, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to join communities in the Roblox app with all the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're looking to find friends, share creations, or just chat about your favorite games, joining a community is the perfect way to get started. First things first, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the features. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons. Tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. This is the More menu, where you can find all sorts of extra options. Now, scroll down until you spot the Communities option. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to the Communities section, where you can browse or search for groups that match your interests. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it, then type in the name or keywords for the kind of community you want to join. Maybe you're into building games, role-playing, or just want to connect with fans of your favorite Roblox creator. Whatever it is, there's a community out there for you. Once you find a community that looks interesting, tap to open it. Here, you'll see more details about the group, including its members, posts, and rules. If it feels like the right fit, simply tap the Join Community button. That's it. You're now a member and can start participating in discussions, making new friends, and sharing your Roblox adventures. Joining communities is a great way to make your Roblox experience even more fun and interactive. So go ahead, explore, and find your people. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.